Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine and safe. I hope you have completed the maths homework. Yes children, very good. Okay, then practice all the sums again and again. Okay, now listen carefully. In the previous class, we have studied about international system of numeration. Yes children, in the previous class, we have studied about international system of numeration. Okay, now let us recall about international system of numeration. Okay, in international place value chart starts from writers ones place. Okay, so writers ones place and then proceed to the left as tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, so in the international place value chart start from writers ones place and then proceed to the left as tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, here we use periods to read number or to write its number name. Yes children, so we divided into periods. Okay, the first period, ones period consists of 3 places. Okay, ones period consists of 3 places, that is ones, tens, 100. So this is ones period. Next, thousands period. Thousands period consists of again 3 places, that is 1000, 10,000 and 100. So this is 1000 period. Next is million period. Okay, so million period consists of million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay children, here for example see one number. Okay, how do you read this? Before reading you separate the number with periods. Okay, why? We use periods to read a number or to write its number name. Okay children, so to show the periods in a number, commas are used. Okay, so now mark the period. To show the periods in a number, commas are used. Okay, so first is ones period. So ones period consists of how many places? 1, 2, 3, 3 places, that is ones, tens, 100. Okay, so now you see here ones, tens, 100 after 1 comma. This is ones period. Okay, next is thousands period. Thousands period consists of again 3 places, that is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So 100 after 1000, 10,000, 100,000 after put another 1 comma. So this is thousands period, this is million period. So million period is how much is there? 275. In thousand period 450 is there. Okay, ones period 179 is there. Now you read the number 275 million 450,000 179. Okay, 275 million 450,000 179. Okay children, do you understand? Okay, very good. Now one more number. For example, okay, see the number. First of all, you mark the periods. Okay, first period, ones period. So ones period consists of how many places? 3 places. Okay, that is ones, tens, 100. So ones, tens, 100 after you put 1 comma. Ones, tens, 100 after you put 1 comma. Next is thousands period. Okay, this is ones period. Next thousands period. Thousands period consists of again 3 places, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So thousands, 100,000 after you put another 1 comma. This is thousands period. This is million period. Okay, now you read this number 2,904,517. Okay, so your number is 2,904,517. Okay children, do you understand? Yes, so I hope you understood. Okay, so now let us continuation of the previous class. Okay, so listen carefully. Now the second question. Your question is, write the numbers for the given number names. Okay, write the numbers for the given number names. Also, draw an international place value chart and write the numbers in it. Okay, children, you see the question, write the numbers for the given number name. Here one number name is given. First of all, you write the number. So you write the number. What is the number? Here your question is given in words. Okay, so you write in numerals, that means numbers. Okay, children, so you read the number name. 7,349,284. Okay, so first of all you do the rough place value chart. Okay, so ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, sorry, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, so now you separate by periods. Okay, this is ones period, this is thousands period, this is millions period. Okay, now you read the number 7 million. 7 million. So your million period, how much is there? 7. Here only 1 million. That is 7 million only given. So 7 million. So million period here. Okay. This is million period. This is thousand period. This is ones period. So million periods. How much is there? 7. So you put 7 in millions period. Okay. Yes. So 7 million. Next. Thousands period, how much is there? 349. Okay, 349,000. So here thousands period 300. So 100,000 place have 349. So 7,349,000. Next 284. Okay, 284. 284. So your number is 7,349,284. Okay, now you write the number here, 7,349,284. Now you mark the period. Okay, first period ones period, ones period after you put one comma, ones, tens, 100 after you put one comma. Next is thousands period. So thousands period consists of again 3 places. Okay, that is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So 100,000 after you put another one comma. Okay, children. So 7,349,284. Okay, so the first part is over. Write the numbers for the given number names. So number is there. Okay, now also draw an international place value chart. So now you do international place value chart. Okay, draw the international place value chart. International place value chart. Okay, yes. So this is periods, place value. So first column is periods, next is place value. Okay. Millions period, yes. Okay. Okay, listen. Now draw an international place value chart. Okay, now you do it. Write the numbers in it. Your number is what number? 7,349,284. Okay, now thousands period. This is ones period. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, children. Okay, now you do it. write the numbers in it. Okay, so first number is 7 million. So where is million space? Here, million place. Okay, so you put inside 7 here in million place. Okay, next is 349,000 period. So 349. Next 284. Okay, so 280 tens 4 ones. So your number is 7,349,284. Okay children, do you understand? I hope you understood. Okay, so now all of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note. Write today's day and date and continue the classwork. Okay, don't leave anything page. Don't leave any page. You continue. First question already done. Now the second question. Okay, so write the numbers for the given number names. Also draw an international place value chart and write the numbers in it. Already in international place value system, first question is done. Okay, now the second question, write it. All of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date and start. Second question, write the numbers for the given number names. Also draw an international place value chart and write the numbers in it. Okay, in second question, first one, 7,349,284. So first you write the numbers for the given number name. So write the number, then after draw an international place value chart. Okay, so do it. Use the scale when drawing the line. Okay children. Do not draw the line using your hand. Use the scale when drawing the line. Okay. Write neatly. Write neatly. Have you finished? Now the second one. Six million. Don't write children. Listen. Six million 56,000 79. Okay, so your question is 6,56,079. Okay, so write the numbers for the given number names. Also draw an international place value chart and write the numbers in it. Okay, so first of all you write the numbers. Your question is given in words, so you write the numbers. Okay, so the number is, say the number 6 million. So you roughly you do the place value chart. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay children, so now 6 million. So this is a million, this is the thousands, sorry, here. Okay, so this is 1000 period, this is million period, this is ones period. Okay, now 6 million. So million, in million period, how much 6. Okay, so 6 million, sorry, 6 million. Next 56,000. So in thousands period, how much? 56. Here is 100,000 is not given, only 10,000 and 1,000 only given. Okay, so that is 56. So 56,000, 6 million, 56,079. Here also not given the 100. So only tens and ones place only given. Okay, that is 79. 6 million, 56,079. So here 100,000 is not there. Yes, so you put that place 0. Here 100 also not there, so you put 0. So your number is 6 million 56,079. Okay, so rewrite here 6 million 56,079. Now you mark the periods. Okay, so this is ones period. Ones period consists of 3 places. Next is thousands period. Thousands period consists of again 3 places. So first 3 places after you put 1 comma, then after 3 places. Okay, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 after you put another 1 comma. Okay children, so this is million period, this is thousands period, this is ones period. Okay, now you draw an international place value chart. Okay, draw the international place value chart. Okay, first one is periods, second is place value. Okay, so first is ones period. So ones period consists of 3 places. Okay, so that is ones, tens, 100. Next is thousands period. Thousands period consists of again 3 places, that is 10,000, sorry, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, next is millions period. Millions period consists of again 3 places, that is million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay children, so now you write the numbers in it. What's the number? 6 million 56,079. Okay, 6 million 56,079. Now you put the numbers inside the place value chart. 6 million. Okay, where is million? Here. So you put 6. Next 100,000 place is 0. Okay, then 10,000 place 5. In thousands place 6, and 100 place 0. Next is tens place 7, and ones place is 9. Okay, so your answer is 6,56,079. Okay children, so write it in your classwork note. Do it. This is rough work. Okay, so this is rough work. Do in your rough work area. Okay, so write it. Children, this is the rough work. Okay, so you write in rough work area in your note. Write fast. 6,56,079. ஸோ எப்போவுமே நம்ம வேர்டில் கொடுத்துருந்தாக்கி என்ன செய்யணும், நம்பர் எழுதணும்னா ரஃபில் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ சார்ட்டில் போட்டுட்டு எழுதணும். அப்படி போட்டுட்டு எழுதினாதான் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன வராது, ராங் வராது. ஓகே, so that's why is a rough work is there, so you write with rough work area. Okay, write neatly children, write without mistakes. Okay, use the scale when drawing the line. Do not draw using your hand. Okay, use scale when drawing the line. Okay children, have you finished? I hope you have written. Okay, now the third one. Your question is 79 million 500,000. Okay, your question is 79,500,000. Okay children, so here your question is given in number names. Okay, so you write in numbers. First of all, you write in numbers. Okay, so your question is 79,500,000. So you write the number. First of all, the place value chart, rough place value chart you put. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, now you see the question. 79 million, 79 million, 100 million is given? No. Okay, so only 1 million and 10 million is given, that is 79. So your hundreds in period, in millions period, how much? 79. Okay, 79 million. So over, next you come the thousands area. Okay, thousands period, how much? 500,000, 500. So this is thousand period, this is ones period, this is thousands period, this is million period. Million period how much? 79. So in million period 79. Okay, so you write in millions period, so 79 million. Next 500,000 in thousands period, how much? 500. Okay, in thousands period 500. The remaining ones period, anything is there? No, but here is number is there. Yes, that number is 0. So that's why 100 place you put 0, tens place you put 0, ones place you put 0. Okay, now you read the number 79,500,000. Here ones place is 0, the place having 0, say are not represented in the number name. Okay, children? So that's why here is not represented. Okay. So your question is 79,500,000. Now your answer 79,500,000. Okay, now you mark the period 79,500,000. Okay, now you put the place value chart. Now draw and place value chart, international place value chart. So your number is 79,500,000. Okay, now you fill the numbers inside the place value chart. 7, 10 million. 7, 9 is 1 million place. 500. So 100,000 is in 5. Next is all the digits are 0. Okay? Okay, children? Do you understand? So your answer is 79,500,000. Okay? Do you understand? Yes. Now you write it in your classwork note. Third one. Already 2 questions are done. Now third one. Okay? 79,500,000. So your number is 79,500,000. Okay? So you do the rough value chart inside the rough work area. Okay? This is the rough work, children. Okay? So do in rough work area in your note. $79,500,000. Then after you draw an international place value chart and put the numbers in it. Okay? Use the scale when drawing the line. Okay? Write it. Write without mistakes, children. Once a question answer is completed, you draw the line, okay, using scale. Write neatly and write with good handwriting, okay? That is very, very important. Write fast. Have you finished? Now, the fourth question. $11 million. Okay, your question is 11 million. So, what to do? Only million period only given. Yes, children, here no thousands period, No ones period. Okay. So your number is 11 million. So write the number. Your question is given in name, number name. You write in number now. Okay. 11 million. So do the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So this is ones period, this is thousands period, this is millions period. Okay children. Now we put the value. Your question is 11 million. Okay. So 11 million. So 100 million is not given. Only 10 million and 1 million is given. That is 11. So in millions period, how much? 11. Okay. Then after, no words. Yes. But number is there. Why? The places which have the digit 0 in the number's name are not represented. Yes or no children? Yes. So that's why here only 11 million is given. So you write the numbers. Okay. The remaining places 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ounce. Then all the digits are 0. Okay. That is thousands period is 0. Ones period is 0. Now you read the number 11 million. Okay. So your answer is 11 million. All the digit. Okay. That is ones period and thousands periods are 0. Only million period is only how much is there? 11. So your number is 11 million. Okay children. Now we put the numbers inside the place value chart. First of all you draw the international place value chart. Then after put the numbers inside. Okay. 11 million. So 10 million 1 and 1 million is 1. So that's why 11 million and thousands periods are 0. Okay. So all the digits are 0. Next ones period also 0. Okay. Clear? Are you listening? Yes. Then now you write it in your classwork note. 11 million. Your question is 11 million. So first of all you write the number. Okay. So here thousands period and ones periods are 0. So you put all the digits are 0. Okay. So only 11 million. Then after draw an international place value chart and write the numbers in it. Okay children. So do not draw the line using your hand. Use the scale when drawing the line. Okay. Do it. Write neatly. Write neatly. Have you finished? The next question. Fifth one, 769,500,000 1,000 399. Your number name is 769,501,399. Okay. So first of all, you write the numbers. Okay. The given number names. So number 769 million. Okay. You put the place value chart from rough. Okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, this is million period. This is thousands period. Okay, children. Now you see the question. 769 million. Okay, 769 million. So in million period, how much is there? 769. In million period, how much? 769. Okay. So you write 769. 769. So in millions period, how much? 769. Okay. Next you come to the thousands period. 501,000. Okay. 501,000. So here thousands period. Okay. So 501. 501 thousands. 399. 399. So your number is 769 millions 501 thousands 399. Okay. So you write the numbers here. Okay. 769 million 501 thousand 399. So your number is 769 million 501 thousand 399. Yes, children? Okay? Yes. Now you draw the place value chart. Then after you write the numbers here, 769 million 501,399. Okay? Now you put the numbers inside the place value chart. 700. So 100 million place, how much? 769. 769 millions 501,399. Okay, children, clear? 769 millions 501,399. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Now write it in your classwork note. Fifth one. Okay, already 4 sums are done. Now fifth one. 769 million 501,399. Okay, children, write it. 769 million 501,399. Okay, this is the rough work area, children. Okay, so write it in your rough work area. Use the scale when drawing the line. Okay, write neatly and write without mistakes. Write neatly. Have you finished? Okay, now you come to the homework sums. Page number 17. Homework, page number 17, okay? Page number 17, in fourth question. Question number 4. A, B, C, D and E. Okay. Do in your homework note, okay? Do in homework note. Okay, children? All of you take your book. Page number 17. Page number 17. Children, all of you take your book. Page number 17. Page number 17. I hope you have taken. In page number 17, you see the fourth question. Write the numbers for the given number names. Also, draw an international place value chart and write the numbers in it. Okay, today classwork model. Okay, children? So, in fourth question, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, 5 sums are there. In fourth question, 5 sums, okay? A, B, C, D, E, okay? You do all the sums in your homework note. Okay, children? Page number 17, in question number 4, mark the question A, B, C, D, E, okay? Do all the sums in the homework note. Okay, children? Take a photo of your homework and send it to WhatsApp number. Okay? Understand? Yes. Write the homework the day itself. Okay, children? And practice all the sums again and again. Okay? See you in the next class. Thank you.